I welcome you all once again. In our previous lesson, we looked at how to create the class info sheet. Today, or in this lesson, we are going to look at how to create our assessment sheet subject by subject. So without wasting much time, we will first name our sheet. We'll go to the sheet tab and then create a sheet, and we are going to name that sheet with the name of one of the subjects. So first going to name it English language. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So this time I'm going to leave the column A and then start my typing from column B. So going to student based assessment. Student based assessment. So now let's see. Serial number. Column B is going to be name of student. Column C, we are going to look at the individual tests. That's our class assessment score. So we are going to begin with individual test, but here we will leave in that part, then we come here to do individual tests. Next here is going to be group work. Next is going to be project work. So what we're going to do here is we're going to merge these cells and then write the class assessment. So with the name of people, column B, let's open that wide up, or that will be taken. So we have class assessment. So the class assessment, we're going to have individual tests, group work, and project work. So here we're going to have total class score. Total class score. Let's open that a little. So we have total class score. And here we are going to have exam score. We are going to do scaled 2. We'll be scaling our exam score to 60%. And then our class score is going to be 40%. So this is going to be total. So we have total. We are going to have position. So we'll be ranking each, then grade. So we have this. So let's extend this merge. Now let's begin our formatting. Let's merge these two. And then center it. Let's do the same to the serial number. Merge. Yeah, let's center it. Yeah. So let's bolden this. We have this. And let's do here. Let's type examination. Let's merge that one too. That would be better. Bolden it. Okay, so position and grade. So we might want to specify the marks allocation. 10 marks. 10 marks. This may be, say, 20 marks. So making a total of 40. Let's reduce the font size a bit to make it look okay. Then the total class score is going to be 40 marks. Exam score is out of 100. And then we say we'll be scaling this to 60 marks. Total is going to be out of 100. So let's make all 10 marks. Change the font. Okay. So merge this. Merge this. Let's add the third one. Merge. Do same to this. Merge. So we have this. Now let's do this. I've forgotten about this. Let's do this. Merge and center. Let's increase the font to 20. Sorry, assessment. Okay. Let's change the font to Arial Black. Yeah, Arial Black is okay. So we have this, and I don't think that is okay for me. So let's see if we can still do something. What else can we do? So let's take this. Let's depend on the number of students you have. Here, let me limit it to just 100 students, though we might not have up to 100 students in one class. So limit it this way. Then let's fill. Yeah. I think let's apply the same fill to this. So where our entries are going to be, we are filling. So this total, let's give the total a different fill color. Let's see. Okay. I don't want, so this is okay. So we are almost done, but we are not done yet. This grade, let's give it a fill. What fill color would be good for it? Okay, this is somehow. Let's give us working space a border. Okay, so we do this, right click, format cells, come to border. So here, this is how I want the border style to be. Color, black is still good. So outline and inside. Yes. So we have this. So this is how it looks, but I don't want all these then showing spaces I left there is to cause a clear separation. So let me do this. Okay. Then remove the inside border. So come to format cells. Then remove the inside border. And you have it like this. And to make it more better, you can fill it with white. Yeah, I think it's okay. I don't want to remove this time around, so we're going to do the same thing to this. Right click, format cells, remove the inside border. This time is just this, and then come to fill, choose the fill color and press OK, and we have this. So we are going to begin. Let's see. Yeah, this looks good. So in our next lesson, we look at how to link this sheet to the previous sheet, the class info we created. Thank you very much. Follow to the next lesson. Bye.